What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about these travel organizers. I've been living and working out of this converted van for about the last 4 years, and having something that just keeps everything organized is really handy. I did everything with a basket for a while, and then just compartmentalizing everything into these is so handy. I can't even explain it to you. They have a really nice handle on the top, as you can see. Pretty sturdy. I've never really had to use them too much, but it is nice to have, something to carry them with. But the thing I really like is this expansion compartment. So you can expand the entire thing, and as you can see, it kind of all comes apart like that. And then you can load it up with this other set of zippers right here and put whatever you need, t-shirts, pants, whatever it might be. And then just zip it right up with the expansion part of it. And it goes right back together, and it's nice and compressed. Really, really handy. Like I said, if you're on a condensed, space like I am, or if you're, packing for a trip, anything like that. Also has a really nice sheer top, so you can see what is in every one of them. I ended up putting a little organizer on the side of them just because the way I'm set up, it's just more handy to have that. But in a luggage, piece of luggage or suitcase or anything, this would be super handy. But overall, I've been using these for about, I'd say, the last 2 years, and they have held up remarkably well. Like you can see, there's no fraying, no anything like that. So if you're looking for a really good travel organizer, I would highly recommend this. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.